Hi, welcome to Eclassopedia. Myself, Manya Bajaj, and I am a maths tutor. So today I would like to discuss with you all percentage. So let's get started. Going to study about percentage. So what topics we are going to cover in this is what is percentage, visualizing different percentage, convert percentage into a fraction, and convert fraction into a percentage. First is what is percentage. Symbol of percentage is this. So percentage is divided into two terms. First is per and second is cent. So when we talk about percentage, it is out of 100. Okay, I'm giving you one example. If she girl has scored 90 out of 100, that means she has scored 90 percentage. One more example I would like to give you. If this is a color of this is a bottle of gems, in that different color of gems are there. Like suppose red color, blue color, yellow color, and green. Now red color are 24 out of 100. That means 24% is red color. Blue is 26 in accounting, that means 26% is red blue color, sorry. And if I'm talking about yellow color, it's 18, that means 18% is yellow color. 32 is of green color, that means 32% is green color. Now if I'll add 24, 26, and 18, that time I'll get this all as 100. That means whenever we are talking about percentage, we are talking about 100. Moving on to next part. Next topic is how to visualize a different shape. For example, if this is a grid of 100 boxes. Now in this 100 box, out of 100, one box is of yellow color. That means 1% out of 100. 1% is there. If 25 boxes are of yellow color, out of 100, that means 25 by 100 or 25 percentage. Another one is 50%. Now in 50%, 50 boxes are of yellow color, so 50 out of 100. Visualizing 25%. Now in this one, 25 boxes are of yellow color, that means 20 out of 100. So 25 out of 100, that means 25% are of yellow color. Similarly, if I now in this one, 50 boxes are of yellow color out of 100, that means 50 out of 100. 50 upon 100, that means 50 percentage. Similarly, if this 100 out of 100 are of yellow color, that means 100 upon 100, that means 100 percentage. Convert percentage into a fraction. Next topic. Step 1. Divide the percentage number by 100, and then step 2. Simplify the fraction. Like for example, if I have to convert this 25 percentage into a fraction. For example, what we will do here, 25 upon 100. First of all, we have to divide it with 100. When I'll simplify it with a table of 5, I'll get 5 and here 20. Again, I'll simplify it. This will come in 1 times and this will come in 4 times in 5 table. That means 25 upon 100 is 1 by 4. So then 25 percentage into fraction is 1 upon 4. Moving on to next one. If one more example, 60% into a fraction. So 60 upon 100, that means 6 by 10, and we'll simplify it, 3 upon 5 will get. Convert fraction into a percentage. Multiply and fraction by 100, and we have to simplify it. For example, here convert 6 by 25 into a percentage. So 6 upon 25 into 100. Now here we will simplify this. 25 ones are, and this is coming 4 times. So 6 times 4 is 24%. So 6 upon 25 into percentage is 24%. If you know the answers, please do write in the comment box. And if you like the video, please register for this subject and feel free to get in touch with a team member of Eclassopedia. The link and the contact number has given in the description box. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.